I want to thank one of our oldest business partners, Sanjay Khimsera of Geeta Bhavan Indore, for having been a part of the family of Arena for the last 25 years. Sanjay, during his association of 25 years, has churned out thousands of students in the space of media and entertainment. His students work in some of the best studios in the, not just the country, but probably the world. They have also had credits in a lot of Oscar-winning movies. In the city of Indore, which is a high focus area for us, I think Geeta Bhavan has blazed a trail and provided, I would say, job security and the freedom to express themselves to thousands of people with a creative character of mind.
Many congratulations, Sanjay ji and the entire Horizon family. 25 years is a very long time, and the way you've managed to pull these years through has been just incredible on itself. I just completely admire the kind of patience and quality that you strive for all the time. It's been a pleasure knowing you, pleasure being able to share my little bits with you on those occasions. You've brought to life a very unique vision, and you've worked so hard as a team player. It's been a pleasure getting to learn so much from you, just the way you function. So I wish you all the very best for the future, and I think this comes on behalf of everybody else who has benefited immensely from the kind of education system that you've built. And I just hope that you go from strength to strength and build things that are true to your vision, and you have a great time doing so.
Hello everybody at Arena Animation, Geeta Bhavan and Sanjay Khimsera ji. It's a momentous occasion for me to be wishing you all on this 25-year anniversary. It's a great occasion, and it's not usual for, it's a great momentous occasion for all of you, and I thank you all for the great service that you have provided to the animation industry in general. I've known Sanjay ji for over 15 years now, and his selfless love and passion to grow the industry has been a great driving force, not only for Arena Animation Geeta Bhavan, but also for the animation industry in general.
The kind of passion Sanjay ji has will take the institute very much further than any of us have seen anyone do. He's a highly motivated person, and is also leading ASIFA India forward. So wish you the best, Sanjay ji. We always will keep on working together for the benefit of this community of students in India.
25 years is a long time to be in the animation industry and in the education of it. और education is the backbone of our industry, और आपकी पूरी टीम इतने सालों से इतनी डेडिकेशन के साथ आप लोग स्टूडेंट्स को हेल्प कर रहे हैं इस इंडस्ट्री में आने के लिए. उसके लिए आपको और आपकी पूरी टीम को बहुत कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस एंड थैंक्स. और अभी मैं मिस्टर एक्स टोरंटो कनाडा में काम करता हूँ, पर जब मैं इंडिया में सीजी तंत्रा चला रहा था ऑलमोस्ट 15 ईयर्स तक, तब आपकी और आपकी टीम के साथ कई बार इंदौर में और काफ़ी अदर कॉन्फ्रेंसेस में आप लोग के साथ काम करने का मौका मिला, एंड आई एम ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट. आई होप आपके आगे के आने वाले साल और भी बहुत अच्छे हों, एंड आई विश यू ऑल ग्रेट सक्सेस इन द कमिंग ईयर्स, एंड आई होप to come and meet you all very soon, and have a great day, and everybody enjoy, and it's a great achievement, and congratulations to everybody again.
To teach people not only how to animate, but how to live successfully, what a pleasure, what a treat, what an honor it is to have this mandate. Leonardo da Vinci once was asked what is the secret of his genius, and he answered, knowing how to see. He didn't say knowing how to sculpt, knowing how to paint, knowing how to draw. He said knowing how to see. I believe that that is the mandate of great educators, and I believe that's the future for all of the young people. It's such a pleasure to wish you a happy 25th anniversary, a silver anniversary.
I still remember visited the institute, and I was welcomed by so many smiling faces, and it makes you feel so comfortable in an environment like this. And I'm sure 25 years you must have spread that warmth in your students, and spending 25 years in the industry and maintaining a standard is an achievement by itself. And I want to congratulate Sanjay ji and the entire team for completing 25 years and contributing to our industry.
It is such an amazing moment to actually, say this to all you guys. You've done fantastically well over the last 10-12 years that I've been associated with the industry, especially recruiting so many wonderful artists from Arena, especially in Indore. In fact, in 2010, I began my recruitment journey in Indore, and we've hired so much of talent and really good talent. So keep up the good work, Sanjay. You're doing great. Your team is doing fantastically well, and I wish you all the very best and continued success over the coming years. Thank you. All the best.
It is a stupendous achievement that for 25 years you have served the training sector in the animation and graphic design field, and it's a testament to your good work and to your commitment to the industry that today we find a lot of your alumni are very well placed, and I'm sure extremely grateful to you for helping them build their careers. I do hope that you have many more years of such success and achievement, which is more important. And personally, I have enjoyed thoroughly every time you have, hosted us in Indore. Those have been absolutely joyous occasions. They have been events which we have thoroughly enjoyed. I have personally thoroughly enjoyed your hospitality. You are truly a gentleman who understands the importance of community building, and through your efforts, which you continue to do, and I hope that you will continue to do, selflessly serving the animation and art community, not just through your franchise business, but also through the events that you help conduct, which are purely philanthropic, if I may say, in nature. It has been an honor and an extremely humbling experience to know somebody like you, and I do hope that I will get the opportunity to visit you and your team in Indore once again, and hopefully do some lovely master classes, workshops with your students. All the best, and God bless.
I'm amongst the very few fortunate people who have seen this journey from the day one. I remember that 25 years back, meeting a young, enthusiastic Sanjay with all the dreams of making something big, and here we see today where it has reached. Wish you many more years of successful journey.
I had met Sanjay ji, and it feels like he's a part of my family, and he's helped me. And when I used to work at Rhythm & Blues, he's helped us very much at Rhythm & Blues, and he continues to help us now with Asuka India and Dancing Atoms. I cannot be thankful for all the help. But above and beyond that, he is such a kind-hearted person, and his voice and his demeanor, मतलब इतना अच्छा लगता है उनसे बात करती हूँ तो ऐसे लगता है कि मैं उनको सर ही बुलाऊँ। तो मैं विश करती हूँ कि बहुत सारी खुशियाँ आपको मिले, आपके स्टूडेंट्स को मिले, आपकी टीम को मिले, टीचर्स को मिले, और हमेशा आप हैप्पी रहे, हेल्थी रहे। एंड इंडस्ट्री में आप जैसे लोगों की बहुत 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 ज़रूरत है, और जो भी संजय जी से मिले हैं वो इतना मैं कह सकती हूँ कि काफ़ी लकी है। मैं बहुत सारे लोगों से मिली हूँ मेरे लाइफ में, पर संजय जी स्पेशल है, और मैं जानती हूँ कि वो अपने मन से करते हैं जो भी काम करते हैं, कोई दबाव में आके कभी काम नहीं करते हैं, तो उसका एक अलग आनंद मिलता है ऐसे लोगों के साथ काम करने में जिनको अपना काम से गर्व है। मैं जब भी उनसे बात करती हूँ या उनकी टीम से बात करती हूँ तो मुझे लगता है कि अपनों से बात कर रही हूँ।
25 साल मतलब बहुत ही बड़ी अकम्पलिशमेंट है और ट्रेनिंग के फील्ड में ये बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट है। तो आपके टीचर्स, आपके सारे स्टूडेंट्स, काउंसलर्स, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर्स, क्रिकेट प्लेयर्स, सबको मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ।
My name is Dörte, I'm from Germany, and I'm impressed that you made it to the first 25 years, quite an accomplishment, and I'm pretty sure that there are many more years to come. I remember when I had the pleasure and honor of giving a workshop at your institute a couple of years ago. I stood in a room full of people with lots of energy and dedication and playfulness and very, very good humor. And I also fondly remember the warm welcome that you gave to me when I arrived in Indore. So please keep up the good work and the good spirit.
Congratulations on the 25th Foundation Day to Sanjay Kimisera and the team in Indore, MP, that has made a whole generation of young people come into animation, visual effects and the computer graphics industry.
They're doing a fantastic job with a creative team and teaching students, training people for the future generation in animation and other special effects. I wish them all the best. Sanjay, continue your good job of not only training and preparing young minds for the future of this industry, but also doing a great job in social service, in doing good work for people of all types, so that you not only excel in the field of animation, but also excel as a human being in the field of charity and doing for the needy. All the best to you, Sanjay. May you prosper. May your institute even reach a greater heights and become a landmark institution in this entire area. Best of luck.
My name is Ashish Kulkarni, and I would like to congratulate Mr. Sanjeev Kunsara and also his team, who have stood like a pillar in training more than 12,000 students over 25 years. Especially Ekta Kimsara, Rajkumar Patidar, Sanjay Pawar, Rahul Jain, Vaibhav Singodia, Rahul Gangadre, Shilpa Mehta, Rinku Verma, Tanvi and Gitanjali. What a wonderful effort by you in providing educated and skilled manpower to the industry of animation, visual effects, UI, UX, web design, graphic design, motion graphics and many more. These students have not only excelled in providing a wonderful service in India, but many of them have actually provided their skills to the global projects. And these will go a long way in the media and entertainment industry.
I was quite astonished to know that, your institute is 25 years old. My entire span of career in the animation industry is probably 23 years now. And I can't imagine that there was an animation institute specializing in animation, VFX and graphics that was set up such early times in Indore. It's a commendable vision, and I think you, along with your partner and the team, have achieved a great milestone in creating interest in these sectors which were otherwise known to be like something that only people who are not good with education should go for. You had a vision that this is something that's going to flourish in this country, and that vision is what I'm saluting. And I think you have another another 50 or 100 years more, spreading happiness and knowledge amongst the youngsters. And I wish you all the very best, you and your entire team. It's a momentous achievement, and salute, absolutely. Thank you.
एरिना एक ऐसा पौधा है जो आज से 25 साल पहले इस देश में लगा था और उसी के साथ साथ मिस्टर किमिसेरा ने इसे इंदौर गीता भवन में लगाया। अक्सर आपने देखा होगा कि जब भी कोई पौधा लगता है जो उसके ओरिजिनल माली होते हैं वो उस पौधे के बड़े होते रिटायर कर जाते हैं और शायद कभी उसका फल नहीं ले पाते। लेकिन एरिना एक ऐसा पौधा है खासकर इंदौर में जो आज तक फल दे रहा है और दे ही नहीं रहा, उसके फल इतने मीठे हैं और इतने फैले हुए हैं कि इसके कई हकदार हैं। सबसे पहले हकदार तो बनता है स्टूडेंट्स, जो आज हजारों स्टूडेंट्स जो एरिना के थ्रू इंदौर से निकले हैं आज अलग अलग स्टूडियोज में अलग अलग कंपनीज में फ्रीलांसर्स में की तरह काम कर रहे हैं और उसका फल भोग रहे हैं। इसके हकदार इंडस्ट्री भी है जिसको प्रोडक्शन रेडी टैलेंट मिलता है। इसलिए जो एक इंडस्ट्री और एरिना का कनेक्ट है वो दिन प्रतिदिन स्ट्रॉन्ग होता जाता है। जो प्रिंसिपल कंपनी है एप्टेक या एरिना, उसने इस एरिना के पौधे को सिर्फ भारत में 200 सेंटर्स में ही नहीं बल्कि 16 देशों में फैला दिया है। तो आप लोग इमेजिन कर सकते हैं कि आज जो एक पौधा था आज एक विराट वृक्ष बन गया है और इस वृक्ष की जड़ें इतनी मजबूत हैं और इतनी गहरी हो चुकी हैं कि इसको आने के 25 साल 50 साल 100 साल तक ये फल देता रहेगा। On this happy occasion of the 25th anniversary of Arena in India and also Arena Gita Bhavan, I wish to congratulate everyone who is connected with Arena.
Hello everyone. Congratulations Sanjay sir and Arena Gita Bhavan team for completing 25 years of excellence and education. I wish you luck for your journey ahead. Thank you.
My name is Brianna Yarhouse, and I am so happy to be able to send greetings as Director of International Animation Day for ASIFA International to your school in celebration of 25 years of excellence. Many things have passed that have started out with you 25 years ago. Tamagotchis, they've passed. DVDs, they're mostly gone. The Spice Girls, well, let's just say they're no longer young. But through it all, the design school has continued to promote excellence and amazing animation. Congratulations, and I can't wait to see what 25 more years will bring.